Your first question. What was your first job?
My first job, oh my God. In college, we were organizing a college festival, and I had to go to different corporates to raise funds for the college festival. I would say that was my first job.
Okay, your first co-star.
My first co-star was Sushant Singh Rajput, actually, in Kai Poche. And of course, there was Rajkumar Rao and Amit Sad as well.
Yeah. Your first time being on set. You were nervous, excited. How was it?
Yes, again, it was for Kai Poche. I was very nervous. I felt like it was like a maths ka board exam that I was giving. That's how nervous I was.
Okay. First compliment you have ever received.
The first compliment. I think this would have to be class 4 or class 5 when a girl complimented me for my dimples. And I don't know why I just remembered that, but it was the first thing that came to my mind.
Okay. For your first stage performance.
It was a theatre competition in school, and I was in class 5, I think. And yeah, that was my first performance. And I remember there was a point in which I actually froze and forgot my lines. And yeah, it was a very scary moment, but that actually motivated me enough to say that I want to get better and better at this. So it was a disastrous performance, but I remember it very clearly.
Okay. Your first gym experience.
My first gym experience, I think before Mardani, is when I started going to the gym because they wanted me to look like I was a little tough in that. And yeah, again, it was a lot of pain. I thought I would give it up after the first week. But like most things in life, as you keep doing it, I got progressively better.
Your first kitchen experience.
Was last lockdown when I had to wash my own dishes, make my own food, buy my own vegetables. And of course, now.
Okay, when was the first time your parents said like, yes, Tahir, you had made it?
They had come to the preview screening of Mardani, and before that I had spent 3 years in Bombay. And when they watched that, I remember my mom was crying, and I turned to her and I thought she really hated the film. So I asked her, what is it? And she's like, no, these are tears of happiness. And I knew then that, okay, matlab kuch to lagta hai kiya hai.
Okay, first celebrity crush.
First celebrity crush would have to be Madhuri Dixit when I was growing up.
Okay, when was the first time you felt like a celebrity?
It was after Mardani when I started getting all of these DMs and Facebook requests, and it was literally like, you know, they say life changes on a Friday in Bombay, and that really happened with me.
Okay, your first school crush. At which age?
Which age? I can't remember the age. Must have been like 10 or 11 years old. I wouldn't want to take a name because that would just be embarrassing the person. I didn't know at that point that that's what it's called and that it's called a crush. But I knew कि मतलब हाँ कुछ तो मतलब हुआ है.
Alright. Your first travel experience.
My first travel experience, I think from Delhi only. Me and a bunch of friends, we traveled to Jaipur for the first time, and it was, although Jaipur is only like a few hours away from Delhi as a drive, it was still very exciting because we left home in school and gone out, and we were allowed to stay out at night, and it was really exciting. So yeah, from Delhi to Jaipur in school.
Your first phone.
My first phone would have to be the Nokia 3310 in first year college. And I still remember it because that phone you could drop like 10 times, but it would still work all the time. Like there were nothing would go wrong. And Snake was the only game you could play on it.
Your first salary and what you got from it.
My first salary would have to be, I think, 5,000 rupees, which was again from that college job where we were all on a stipend. What did I get from it? I think I bought a gift for my mom, and I bought something else. I think I bought a pair of jeans or something like that. Yeah, can't remember now.
Your first girlfriend.
I knew this question was coming. First girlfriend was, she was in school. I think I was in class 8, and the name I can't tell you, but yes, that was definitely the first girlfriend.
Okay. Your first kiss?
That was the second girlfriend because nobody kisses in class 8. Or I could be wrong. I don't know what kids in class 8 are doing today. Yeah. Why are we talking about this? I don't know. Yeah, I see you're still waiting for an answer. I just went into flashback all of a sudden, and I've come back now.
Okay, your first car.
My first car that I bought in Bombay, like what do you want to know? Like when did I get it, or which car, or
Both.
I got it a couple of years ago, and it was a black Mercedes, because I guess I grew up watching films where that's what people always drove, and the films have really influenced me.
Okay, your first childhood best friend still in touch?
Childhood best friend would be, there are a bunch of them. There is Dhruv, there's Jatin, there's Abhijit, there's Alok. I'm in touch with a lot of childhood friends.
Okay, and lastly, first friend in this industry and still in touch?
My first friend in this industry, she's a fashion stylist actually. She's a costume designer. Her name is Niharika Khan.
All right. Thank you so much, Tahir, for giving us your time.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure talking to you. Hope to see you
Thank
soon.
you.
Bye-bye. Have a great day. Thank you.
Bye. Stay safe. Bye.
Yeah, you too.